to my channel. My name is Veronica, and today we are breaking down a Maya. So what is a Maya? A Maya is a figure of an 8 on its side, drawn with your hips vertically. This is exactly like a vertical 8, except a vertical 8 starts from the bottom and loops up, starts from the bottom and loops up. A Maya starts from the top and curves down, from the top and curves down, from the top and goes down, from the top and curves down. If you're interested in vertical 8s, I made a vertical 8 video, so you might want to jump on that and learn a vertical 8. Okay, so Mayas, you have to do 3 steps in order to be able to properly execute a Maya. The first step is your hip needs to go up. Second step, it needs to go to the side. Third step, it needs to go down. But the down part is the tricky part because it needs to go down at an angle. So, if you're interested in working out on a Maya, working out your Mayas, put this video on pause, grab your hip scarf, and come right back. Okay, so we're going to start with the hip sway. Feet underneath the hips, knees bent, tailbone down, chest lifted. Warming up the hips, we're going to take the right hip straight up into the ribs. Make sure you stay level, knees bent, left hip straight up into the ribs. So you are drawing straight lines up into your ribs. You're going to go up right and up left, up right and up left, up right and left. One more, up right and left. Okay, let's isolate one hip. So we will start by isolating our left hip. So flat right. Make sure that knee is slightly bent, ball of the left, tailbone down, chest lifted. We're going to take that left hip up into the ribs and bring it down. Take the hip up into the ribs and bring it down. One more time. Take the hip up into the ribs and bring it down. Speed it up, 2, up, down, up, down. Level, keep yourself level, up, down, up, down, last one. Take that hip and hold it up. We're going to change our focus to bringing the hip down. So bring the hip down and down and down and down and down and down and last one. Switch feet. Flat left, knee slightly bent, ball of the right. Keep yourself level. Take the hip up and bring it down. Take the hip up and bring it down. Take the hip up and bring it down. Okay, we're going to speed this up, 2, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, last one. Take that hip up and hold it up there. Change the focus to bringing the hip down, down, and down, and down, and down, 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 last one. Feeling the hips, knees bent, tailbone down, chest lifted. Shoulders back and down, arms out to the side. We're drawing a straight line with our hips. So imagine you're drawing a straight line with your hips. Don't know if that's straight or crooked. Start by pushing the right hip out to the side. As you hold it out there, if your weight is all on the right, bring it back to center. If your hip is up, bring it down. Slide the hip out to the left and hold it out there for a little bit. If your weight is all on the left, bring it to the right. If your hip is down, up, bring it down. 4 count slide, 4 count hold. As you hold the hip out to the side, make sure that your weight is centered and the hip is down. 5, 6, 7, take it right. 2, 3, 4, and hold it. 2, 3, 4 to the left. 2, 3, 4, and hold it. 2, 3, 4 to the right. 2, 3, 4, and hold it. 2, 3, last time, and left. 2, 3, 4, and hold it. Speed it up. 2, right, and hold it. Left and hold it. Right and hold it. Left. 2 more and right. Hold. Left. Hold. Right. Hold. Left. Hold. Relax the arms, shoulders back and down. Slide that hip out to the right. From here, we're curving that hip up into the ribs, so we're bringing that hip down. You can get on the ball of that foot to help you. So curve that hip up into the ribs, and now we're going to curve it back out into that slide. So take it out, curve it out, and take it back out to that slide where it was before you started the curve. That's where your hip needs to go. Slide it out to the left. Okay, so remember, this is where the hip needs to go. Curve that hip up into your ribs, and from here we have to bring it down, and you can use your feet to help you. You're on the ball right there. Curve it back out into a slide. Awesome. So take it to the right. This is where your hip needs to go when it comes down. Curve it up into your ribs, and then curve it back out into that slide, and take your hip out to the left. This is where your hip needs to go when that hip comes down. Take it up into your ribs, curve it up, and curve it back out into a slide. Okay, once you get used to this movement, I want you to keep your feet flat. Slide it out, bring it up, and curve it back out into the slide. Keep the feet flat to strengthen up all the muscles. If you're just learning, go ahead and use that ball of your foot. In fact, I encourage you to use the ball of the foot to help your hip come up and out, except when you start getting used to the movement, really try to keep, I know it's hard, try to keep your weight centered and try to keep yourself from rolling out. Yeah? Okay. Feet flat, come on down, chest lifted. We're gonna do 4 count slide, up for 4, out for 4, hold for 4, slide for 4, curve up for 4, out for 4, hold for 4, then we're gonna speed it up to 2 counts. Doubling down, chest lifted, arms out to the side, and 5, 6, 7, here we go to the right, 2, 3, 4, curve it up, 2, 3, 4, curve it out, 2, 3, 4, and hold it, 6, 7, to the left, 2, 3, 4, curve it up, 2, 3, 4, back out into a slide, and hold it, 2, 3, to the right, 2, 3, 4, curve it up, 2, 3, 4, curve it out, 2, 3, 4, and hold it, 6, 7, to the left, 2, 3, 4, curve it up, 2, 3, 4, back out into a slide, and hold it, 2, count, speed it up to right, and up, curve out, and hold, to the left, and up, and out, and hold, to the right, and up, and out, and hold, to the left, curve in, curve out, and hold, 2 more to the right, curve in, curve out, and hold, to the left, curve in, curve out, and hold, to the right, curve in, curve out, last 1, to the left, curve in, curve out, relax. Go ahead and stretch up. Okay, Amaya. Hip is up, hip is out, and hip is down into that slide. Hip is up, hip is out, and hip is down into a slide. Maya is up, out, and down. Up, out, and down. Up, out, down. Up, out, down, and up, out, down, up, out, down, up, out, down, up, out, down. Let's talk about that. Feet flat, knees bent, tumbling down, chest lifted. First step in the Maya. You're taking that hip and you're driving it straight up into your ribs. You may use your foot to help you. Drive it straight up into the ribs. Hold the hip there. From here, you're going to push it out. Since the hip is up, you're going to push it out at a diagonal. So hip is up, push it out at a diagonal, and then from here you're going to have to take it out into a slide. So curve it out into a slide. Watch. If I take my hip up and out and I don't curve it out into a slide, I just bring the hip down, it's kind of cutting off that Maya. It's not as beautiful. Out into a slide, and this is up and out, and it's just coming down. It's not really curving out. Okay, left hip. Bring that left hip up into the ribs. From here, curve it out into a diagonal, and bring it out into that slide. So slide it out. Curve it down into that slide. Right hip, take it up. Push it out at a diagonal and curve it down, 2, 3, 4. Left hip up, push it out at a diagonal and curve it down, 2, 3, 4. Right hip up, push it out at a diagonal and curve it down, 2, 3, 4. Left hip up, push it out and curve it down, 2, 3. Speed it up, 2, up, out and down. And up, out and down, and up, out and down, and up, out and down, and up, out and down to a slide, and up, out and down. Speed it up, 2, up, out, down to a slide, up, out, down to a slide, up, out, down, 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 and slow it down to up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down, and up, out and down. Slow it down to up, out, and down into a slide. Hip is up, push it out, and down into a slide. One more time, and up, push it out, and down into a slide. And last one, out, and down into a slide. Relax the arms, stretch up, and reach up right. And reach up left, and both arms up, and relax. And that is all. That's the lesson. If you have any questions, ask below, and I will answer. And if you liked my video, please hit like, subscribe, share, and make sure and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and big kiss. Goodbye.